You're doing the work. You're showing up, and you still feel like you're not sure of yourself. Still waiting for the day the confidence finally arrives. I need to tell you, it doesn't arrive on its own, not from more waiting. So here's the system I use to actually build it. 4 steps. Step 1. Stop waiting to feel ready. Ready is not a feeling that shows up one morning. If you wait to feel ready, you'll wait forever, because confidence doesn't come before the action. It comes from it. Ready is a decision you make while you're still unsure. So make a decision and move before the doubt clears. It will not clear until you move. Step 2. Collect your evidence. Confidence isn't built from pep talks or affirmations in the mirror. It's built from proof. Every time you do something you were unsure about and come out of the other side, that's a piece of evidence that says, I was scared. I did it anyway. I'm still here. Start keeping those, because doubt is loud when nothing argues back. So argue back with a list. I've handled hard things before. Here they are. Evidence beats a feeling every time. Step 3. Look backward, not just forward. Here's a trap almost everyone who's growing falls into. You move the goalposts without noticing. The moment you reach a new level, it stops feeling like an achievement and just becomes normal. So you never feel like you've arrived, because the line keeps moving ahead of you. The fix is to look back, not the standard ahead of you. Not at someone else's highlight reel, at who you were when you started. That's the real measure of how far you've come. And it's actually a lot further than you give yourself credit for. Step 4. Let the doubt ride along. You don't need to wait until the doubt is gone. You just need to stop letting it drive. Feel unsure and do the thing anyway. The doubt can sit in the passenger seat. It just doesn't get the wheel. That's the system. Stop waiting to feel ready. Collect your evidence. Look backward from the start and let the doubt ride along. Because the doubt you feel while doing the work doesn't make you weak or behind or a fraud. It makes you someone who's growing, holding a high standard, standing at the edge of something hard. That's exactly where doubt shows up. It's not a stop sign. I broke down the full psychology behind this in Sunday's video. Why the doubt sticks around even when you're improving. It's on the channel. Next week, something different. Ever noticed how you can pick up your phone without even deciding to? Your hand just does it. Next Sunday, we get into why that happens and how to take back control of your own attention. I'll see you then.